I think the president's tweets speak for themselves. I think the tweet speaks for itself. Sometimes you don't have to read too much into it. He's simply stated a fact. The tweet speaks for itself. I'm moving on. I think what I just said speaks for itself.
White House press secretary's tactic over the past few months when asked to defend a questionable Trump tweet. So I'm wondering what his explanation is going to be this morning from the odd tweet that the president put out last night, because apparently it speaks for itself. So, guys, let's not get ahead of our skis now.
We're not getting ahead of our skis. Covfefe, if you watch any of the Star Wars movies, and Nick is a big fan, you go, it's Rogue One, you know, right after Rogue One, remember?
Actually,
it's like a Spanish soft drink.
It's down now, if you can believe it, but it was up for, what, a good 6 hours?
So I actually posted at midnight.
What do you think?
I fell asleep in the middle of it. It happens. And they just took it
Who
down.
tweets in bed? Anybody? Good morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, May 31st. With us, we have the story. Former aide to the George W. Bush White House and State Department's Elise Jordan, and New York Times reporter Michael Schmidt in Washington.
Schmidt knows everything. Schmidt, what is Covfefe?
What the heck? The President of the United States, the leader of the free world, which is the status is rapidly diminishing.
I was just trying to figure out if it was Comey or not, but it didn't look like it was Comey.
Schmidt sees Comey and everything.
So where's the team?
It's kind of funny. Nobody has access to put that down.
A problem like a mistaken tweet where the president might, like, what if he said something really uncouth? Or what if he said something really dangerous? Would it just sit up there for 5 hours? Nobody to protect him?
At what point do you wake up the president, you know, to tell him about an awful thing that's happened or to tell him to fix or delete a tweet? Apparently, this was not at that level as it still stands. So I guess we have to wonder.
This is not Willie, the 3 a.m. call.
No, Mr. Press, the one we had in mind. The one thing it does prove, though, is that Donald Trump is writing his own tweets. I mean, which you would think that there would be some sort of a vetting process. They'd get together, which the message be, how
think about every word.
But that's somebody lying in bed, tweeting and
hopefully
falling asleep.
Could have been worse, right? I have decided to laud the
I know.
right?
Yeah.
But you know, we